Hey guys, hope you are doing well. I am Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. And in this video, we are going to cover gold, US30 and also try to cover GBPUSD as well. So let's directly dive into the charts and see what we have for today. So here we have the gold and we have the weekly chart as well. On the weekly time frame, I would say price is tapping this 2300 area many times since last 2 to 3 months. As you can, price come down 2300 again, and there 2300 again, and currently it is rejected from 2300. So it is a quite ranging environment. Currently 2300 to 2332. Let's see what comes up in the lower time frame. So here we have the daily time frame. Overall, in the daily time frame, if we talk about the technical aspects, so I would say the technical aspects is market is still bearish. As you can see, price is tapping this area 2300 or 2290 to 2300. This is the key area. Price tap this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I'm expecting anytime soon price will break this area, and once price break this area 2280 to 90 area, it will open the floodgate, and in the downside we have quite clean traffic, and I would say price can retest back to this area 2200. On the technical perspective, I would say it is very much on the card. And also if you see here, like price creating a high and then lower high, then another lower high, so the structure is still bearish, but price is getting a lot of rejection from this 2300 area. So I'm still bearish. Let's see how price behave. So let's move to the H4 time frame and see what we have on day-to-day basis. So here is the first level in the downside. I do not have any clear view for the gold, like how it's gonna behave, because as you know, the gold, there is a lot of uncertainty in the market, and also if you see the geopolitical issues, there's a lot of uncertainty. So we need to analyze the gold on day-to-day basis and see what market structure offer to us. So here you see currently the gold is ranging between 2322 to 2340. So I would say if price break this level 2320, so we can look for sell and can target this area 2300, and it would be the very good move if we can look for sell after the break of this. On the other hand, if price break this area 2335 to 38, so we can look for buy option, and we can target this area in the upside 2364. I would not go in one direction because price is currently ranging and we never know which way price will break the structure. But if we see the higher time frame, so I would say the price is still bearish, and we can look for sell option, but we need to wait for the price break the structure. In the higher time frame, as we discussed, like we need to wait. If you look for the swing trading, so I would say we need to wait for the price to break this 2280 to 90 area, and then it will open up a floodgate and we can target long term to 2200 area. But it cannot be happen anytime soon. It takes time for gold to make such a big move. In the gold perspective, I would say we need to wait for the price to break the structure, whether it would be bullish way or whether it would be the bearish way. Technically, gold look bearish in my say, like creating lower lows, lower highs. However, from the fundamental perspective, the outlook is not bearish. On Friday, if you see, PCE data is expected to show a slight drop in inflation to 2.6% year over year. Fed officials are offering mixed signals, with some hinting at potential rate cuts later this year while other remains cautious. Overall, market predictions indicate a 64% chance of rate cuts by September. And you know, higher interest rate typically make gold less attractive since it does not yield interest. Despite short-term fluctuations, gold's long-term prospect remains positive due to geopolitical uncertainties and economic challenges. And also demand from Asian Central Bank and the BRICS Trade Confederation use of gold as a trade medium also supports its value, and overall fundamental factors and major market players still favors the gold reaching to 2400 if Fed cuts the rate. And also, as you know, in the next week there are tons of news, especially the next week is the NFP week, and the forecast, as you can see here, forecast data looks unfavorable, which supports a bullish outlook for gold. If you are trading gold, I would say monitor both technical and fundamental aspects as well as the geopolitical issues, because every market uncertainties generally favor a gold's bullish trend, and fundamental often override charts and price action. So I would say analyze the gold on day-to-day basis, because there's a lot of uncertainty in terms of fundamental, and any uncertainty in the market always favors the gold in a bullish way. So this is all we have for the gold. So let's move to the next pair we have is US30. Here we have the US30 weekly time frame. So overall, if we see the weekly time frame, currently price is hovering around 39,000 level, which is a very key level. But if we see the price retest almost this area in the higher time frame, and currently it is indicating the bearish move, what we expect, so I would say this is the same sort of pair like gold. The fundamentals directly impact this pair, so we need to make sure, like, rather than swing trading, we need to analyze this pair on day-to-day basis. So I would say next candle can easily retest this area 38,500. So let's see how the price behave in this area. Let's move to the daily time frame and see what we have on the daily time frame. So as you can see, let's draw some levels here. So here's a key area of interest in terms of resistance, and in the downside let's adjust our levels accordingly, and here's the second area of interest, and in the downside here is the third area of interest. So these are the good moves in terms of day-to-day basis trading. So let's say price can easily tap to this area. We need to wait like how the price behave on Monday. So if price come back up and retest this level, and we can look for sell option at this level, and on the downside we can target this area first. As you can see, we have quite clean traffic, and then once price break this level, we can further hit this level to come down to here. So this is how I am looking in terms of day-to-day basis for the US30. My perspective is still bearish. We need to be reactive in the market. We just do not need to stick our bias. Like if market is presenting the bullish way, we need to change our bias and look for the buy option. So let's say if price break this level, we can look for buy option and target this area as well. But currently price is creating the bearish move right now, so we can look for the bearish way and see how the price behave on the Monday and Tuesday, and we can target these area 3800, 700, and then 38,500. So these are the very good moves. If we can get one of these moves, like from 800 to 500, it would be 300 pips move. So if you can get those moves, it would be very good and solid moves. Let's move to the H4 time frame and see what we have in the H4 time frame. So let me remove this. If you see, H4 time frame is perfectly aligned with the daily time frame as well. If price break this area, I'm not expecting it is going to break early Monday, so let the price come up to retest this area 39,100, 39,200, and we can look for sell here, and we can target this area. Expect once price come down like this way, let's say price come up to retest this area, and then we can expect price come back again here and break this level, and we can target this area. So it would be a good move. Let's see how the price behave on Monday, and we can target this area. On the other hand, this is also the very key level, so let's wait another move, price break this area, we can target this area as well. So you see, these are very clean traffic on the left side, there's no hurdle. So my perspective is bearish in the US30, same like gold, but obviously there's a lot of fundamentals there. If the NFP data comes out negative, and also there is ISM news as well, so we need to keep an eye on the fundamental as well. Any negative news against US dollar can bring the price bullish, so we need to keep the eye on the fundamental as well. So this is my perspective on the US30. So let's move to the next pair we have is GBPUSD. So in the GBPUSD, if you remember, we discuss in terms of if you are trading gold and US30, and then you are also look to GBPUSD. So this is a very slow pair in terms of gold and US30. So as we discussed last time, we look for the sell at this area, and also we look for sell at this area 1.27 once price break this level, and we discussed like we can look for sell at this area. So as you see, the price perfectly break this area and then retest, and now it is creating lower lows and bearish structure. And if you see on the left side, there is no hurdle, so my bias for GBPUSD is still bearish. So I'm expecting like you need to follow the price in the lower time frame. Let's say price come up again and retest this area, and we can look for sell option, and in the long term we can target 1.25 area. So this is a very easy trade, I would say. And normally, the way I said, like this is a very slow pair as compared to US30 and gold, so it takes time, but I would say it will complete this cycle because in the left side there is no hurdle. Let's move to the H4 time frame and see what we have for this. So if we see the H4, it is perfectly aligned with the daily time frame. As you see in the left side, there is no hurdle at all, so I would say it can easily go down. Let it adjust the level accordingly. Here's the level, so let's see, this is the level here in H4, and this is the downside level. So you can wait for the price to come again, retest, and look for a sell option here and target this area. So I would say this is very much on the card. And for GBPUSD, my bias is sell. This is all we have for today. I hope you enjoy the video, and next time we will come up again with another weekly analysis. Thank you. Have a great weekend.